Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable controlled access on a Windows 11. So in order to protect your file folder from like ransomware, you need to turn on this feature. All you have to do now, you can click start button or start icon, then you can click settings. Now you can jump into privacy and security and click Windows Security. Next, you can open Windows Security. So here we go. This is the home page of your Windows Security. You can click on Virus and Threat Protection. So this is protection for your device against threats. And here we go. This is the how you can manage virus and threat protection settings. You can click on manage settings under virus and threat protection settings here. So you can scroll down and here we go, controlled folder access. Protect files, folders and memory areas on your device from unauthorized change by unfriendly application. Now you can click and turn on this, switch on the control folder access. Protect your files against threats like ransomware and see how to restore files in case of an attack. So feel free to try to activate ransomware protection controlled folder access. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.